Hello everyone, my name is Dorothy Mabala. I'm doing B.Ed in language. I'm teaching English and Sepedi. My lesson plan today is in English. I'm in grade 10. So the topic is writing an informal letter, giving advice to a friend. So it's an informal letter of teaching a friend how to give her other friend an advice. The other friend is the one who need help from her friend. Okay, the objectives, I want them to remember and understand the format and language features of an informal letter. I want them to know how to apply the correct format when they write an informal letter. I want them to evaluate their own and their classmates' informal letters using a checklist and make improvements when necessary. My introduction, I'm going to display a short PowerPoint presentation showing the parts of the informal letter. I'm going to greet them and show them. I'm going to show them how you greet on the informal letter and how the closing is. And I'm going to show them an example of an informal letter on the PowerPoint. How is it, its format? Yes. The advice that I'm going to ask the learners if they have ever had a friend who needs serious advice, who's in a problem. And I will expect the learners to answer orally. Okay. In the activity, I'm going to make to give the learners the following writing task using the projector or the smart board. Yes. So the consolidation learners who I'm going to tell them to write an informal letter responding to the other friend. I'm going to tell them to use the correct format and the correct letter. I'm going to tell them to comfort, how to, they must, I'm going to tell them that they must comfort their friend on the letter, and I'll give a practical advice how to comfort a person and show that you feel their pain and advise what they can do, how they can encourage their friend to trust me and tell me everything. And I will tell them to write 180 to 220 words. Learners, at the end, they must upload or submit their letter electronically using a digital checklist. Learners exchange letters with their partners and assess the correct format, friendly language, appropriate advice, and grammar spelling. They then improve their own work. I'm going to use Microsoft PowerPoint, Smart Board, Microsoft Word, WhatsApp class group, or Google Classroom, and I'll present it using PowerPoint, I'll explain how the informal letter looks. PowerPoint will show how it looks. How to be I will be teaching them how to be supportive towards other friends who trusted them to tell them what their actual problem is. I'll assist the learners during writing, and I'll provide feedback after peer assessment. Learners' activities, they observe, they answer questions, they discuss ideas, they write the informal letter. They use Microsoft Word or Google. They exchange work digitally as they assess a partner's work using the checklist and they improve their own writing. Okay, the activities allow learners to understand the format of an informal letter, practice applying writing skills, improving their writing through peer feedback, develop digital literacy using ICT tools. The lesson accommodates different learners because I'll give them extra time to learners who needs it, and by allowing learners to use spelling and grammar tools available in Microsoft Word. I'll allow stronger learners to assist peers during peer assessment. Okay, thank you.